Welcome to our guide on how to get free in-game currency in mobile games. Whether you're a casual gamer or looking to enhance your gameplay, understanding in-game currency is crucial. In the gaming world, there are often various types of in-game currencies. Coins, gems, and points each serve unique purposes in your favorite games. Make sure to keep an eye out for official promotions and events. Developers frequently provide free currency through exciting challenges or limited-time offers. While some third-party apps and websites may offer currency, be cautious. We'll cover the pros and cons to help you choose wisely. Participating in surveys and offers on legitimate platforms can be a great way to earn free currency. Let's explore some recommended sites. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Following developers can lead to exclusive rewards and insights on upcoming currency opportunities. In-game challenges and achievements can be a rewarding way to earn currency. It's all about skill and strategy. Join gaming communities and forums. Sharing tips and tricks with fellow gamers can lead to many useful insights and methods for earning currency. It's essential to be aware of scams. Recognizing unsafe methods will help you avoid potential pitfalls in your quest for free currency. Stay updated on new methods for earning in-game currency in 2025. With the right information, you'll never be short on resources.